let's begin our practice in a seated position. Place the wheel behind your back and place your thumbs in the wheel. Play around so it fits tight in your back and slowly lean back over your wheel. Ground down through the sit bones, expand your chest and draw your shoulder blades in together, keeping your thumbs in the wheel. Take a deep breath in and out. One more breath in and slowly release. Now place your feet over the mat, keeping your knees bent, and roll back, lifting your hips up, keeping your chin tucked in. And slowly lower your hips all the way down. Inhale, rolling back, and exhale, rolling down. Inhale back. Exhale, lower down, always keeping the chin tucked in to protect your neck. Inhale up. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, send it back. Exhale, down. Let's take a few more. Now, as you roll back, hold here and bring the soles of your feet together. Place your hands over the mat and slowly lower the hips down. Inhale, back, and exhale, down. Keep the chin tucked in. Inhale, back, and exhale, lowering down, feeling the stretch in the hip flexors. Back and down. One more deep breath in, send it back. And slowly lower down, finding a seat. Resettle in your wheel. Position it so it feels just right. Puffing your chest out, bringing the feet together. See if you feel a stretch in the hip flexors. If you don't, maybe bring your feet closer to your pelvis, or if it is too intense, then distance your feet away from your pelvis. And placing your thumbs in the wheel or placing your hands over the mat, begin to take deep breaths. Now slowly coming out, cross your legs and place your fingers in the wheel, keeping your thumbs out. And extend your arms, rolling the wheel back. And bring the wheel back close to your hips, keeping the arms extended. Inhale, roll it back, no need to force. Just make sure you feel the stretch in your upper back and your shoulders. And as you exhale, bringing it back. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, roll. Exhale, bring it back. take a few more, moving with your breath. Engage your core and sit up tall. So make sure you're not rounding from the back, but you're sitting up nice and tall. It doesn't matter how far you can take the wheel. Just make sure you're feeling the stretch and you're not forcing yourself into an unnatural shape. Now slowly bring the wheel in towards your back. Thumbs are in the wheel and lean back. Place your feet over the mat, knees are bent, and roll back, lifting the hips off the mat. And down. Inhale, rolling back, keeping your chin tucked. And exhale, come down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Now as you roll back, see if you feel comfortable dropping your head down. If not, just hold here, that's perfect. If you feel comfortable, roll back and drop your head down, extending your legs, releasing your arms to the sides. Now come out by rolling forward, keep your head hanging heavy, and when your hips touch the ground, lower your chin down. Nice work. Now, one more time, roll back, keeping your knees bent this time, drape your head down, and place your palms over the mat. Fingertips point towards the heels and elbows point up, kind of like doing a wheel pose. Breathe in and out. In and out. One more. And breath out. And slowly come down, letting your head hang and dropping your chin once you lower your hips down. Now find a cross-legged seat one more time. Place your fingers in the wheel, thumbs are out, and roll the wheel back, extending your arms straight. And bring it back towards your hips. Roll and come back. Inhale, roll. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, roll. Sitting up nice and tall. Now one more roll and hold here. And slowly bring it back. Now come on your knees, keep the wheel in front of you. Place your fingers in the wheel and roll it forward, finding child's pose. Keeping your hands in the wheel, lower your chest down into the mat, keeping the arms extended. Feel free to ground your forehead down on the mat. Now, letting go of the wheel, extend your arms forward for a regular child's pose. Begin to connect your breath and just observe how you breathe. No need to force it, no need to change it, simply observe. Now slowly rise up. That's it for our practice today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.